Hello everyone, Cambrell Marshall, KPRC Channel 2 meteorologist. Thank you for using click2houston.com to get an update on your weekend weather. It's going to be interesting over the next 48 hours. Looking outside, overcast skies, mid-80s already this morning. Talking about 10 a.m. when we're doing this for you. 84 in Galveston. It's going to be very humid all day long. We started out very humid. It's going to be that way throughout the day. Heat index this afternoon could be between 98 and 105 degrees. And tonight, more humidity into tomorrow. In fact, we started out this morning with some records. Record high minimum temperatures. Bush Intercontinental tied the 80-degree mark. Hobby set a new one. The last one was at 1996. Now it's 80. That's a new record. College Station, new minimum high is 78 degrees. That record has been around since 1924. In Galveston, 81 degrees. Broke a record set in 2000. Winds out of the south. We'll continue to see that throughout the day. In fact, we'll see gusting wind speeds beyond 20 miles per hour, certainly throughout the afternoon, especially this afternoon, if you will. Looking at exact track radar, not much going on. In fact, the only activity is outside the state. It's over in Tennessee and up in the upper Midwest, up in Missouri. But we're going to be looking at those areas, and those areas are where we have the strong potential for severe weather today. In fact, the bullseyes in the Missouri area, that's today. You notice down in the state of Texas, up in Dallas, there's a slight chance, marginal chance just to the south of that. Tomorrow, a slight chance drifts a lot further down toward us, where we're in the marginal area here in the Houston area, where we're going to have mostly in terms of it'll be rain later on in the evening, and so we'll have some storms coming in as well. Today, though, highs are expected to be in the low to mid 90s for most of us. Heat index between 98 to 105 degrees as a result of that. 93 in Pearland, 94 in Sugar Land. And we look at what's happening here. All of the wind is going up from the south to the north toward these boundaries where the warm front is and where the stationary boundaries are. And over the next day or so, between now and tomorrow, you'll notice that the strong storms are over here in the Missouri area, as we indicated earlier. On the tail end of that, we'll have the front that'll be sliding down. And so tomorrow morning, there's a slight chance of something coming through, but most of the chances will be well away from us. Now, late tomorrow night, here's 10:30. Ahead of a front, these storms will be popping up. This is late tomorrow night, so throughout the day tomorrow, you should be fine. The biggest changes come tomorrow night into Monday. The front comes through, becomes stationary as we go into Memorial Day, and then we have the rain totals will start to add up a bit. Sometimes some of you will have some heavier downpours. Here's a Futurecast model showing what we expect a lot of this to be. Here's through 10 o'clock tomorrow night, and it doesn't show very much at all for us. We're talking about a tenth of an inch to maybe a half an inch, mostly a tenth of an inch for the most part. Then you look at Monday afternoon at 4 o'clock. A lot of the heavier rain. Now this model wants to have it off the coast. This has been all over the place. The heaviest rain off the coast, this is 3-inch amounts. Everywhere else is not very much. If you're north of Interstate 10, you're talking about a half an inch to about an inch. That's about it. But it's all over the place. So you really can't tell where the strong storms are going to be. But we know Sunday night into Monday, there's a chance from anywhere from 1 to 4 inches, depending on where you are. Rain is expected all week long. Flash flood watches are possible as we get toward the middle of the week, depending on how much rain we get. And there's possibility for next weekend to have rain in the forecast as well. Dash plays today, this afternoon at 3 o'clock against Seattle. Head on out there. It's going to be hot. Heat index may be around 102 when they start playing at around 3 o'clock, 94 degrees. Going up to about 94 with us, the hour-by-hour forecast shows us near there and then going down very slowly throughout the evening hours. And those rain chances will, as I said, be in the forecast going up as we go into Sunday night into Monday, staying in the forecast all week long.